Come at 4 o'clock in the morning. First thing I do is turn the oven on. It takes about 45 minutes. Then put the bread in the proofer, start some of the mixes, and then a coffee. So these are all the calabrese breads. These are the calabrese sticks. These are calabrese pita, the hole in the middle. The calabrese long loaf that are longer. And then we have the calabrese round, the popular one. And then the ones for the sandwiches that are popular. Angelo does the bread most days. I do it a few days just to, I like to give him some time off, even though he doesn't really take it. He comes anyway. He started teaching me about a year and a half ago. Some of the things he taught me were obviously the measurements, ingredients, but most important is the texture of the bread, when to add water, when to add flour. You gotta just have a feeling, the right feeling for it. He's been doing it for his whole life, pretty much, since he was a young kid. I just learned maybe a year and a half ago. It took me, I guess I've been coming for a long time, so it took me 3 months to learn before I could do it on my own. Yeah, I enjoy doing the bread. It's nice to make something from start to scratch and then seeing people really enjoy eating it and tell you what they think about it. I like doing the bread too because you come in early and you can leave early, so you take a little nap and you got the rest of the day to enjoy, especially during the summer when the weather's nice out. Yeah, most of the regular customers, this is the #1 bread they ask for. It's the most popular seller. Usually runs out every day, so it's good to order it too ahead of time. A lot of times when we run out, you just gotta order ahead of time and we'll make it for you, promise. Okay. It's almost been a week. So